Okay, so how to register as a wedding vendor or maybe business account. So step 1 is visit www.shubh-wedding.com. Click on register login link and select register as a business account. Click on listing or event, then select a plan. Step 4 is filling up ad listing form. Step 5, all done. So once you get thank you page, that means you are done from your site. And once your listing approved, then next step is to share your listing by clicking share with Facebook, Insta or other medium. And ask your customers to share their review and share your links to their personal pages or business pages or social media pages. So let us show you practically, or maybe let us show you how to register and submit business listing. Okay, so open any browser and type our website. Website name is shubh-wedding.com. Once you type this website, you will be landed to this page. Now click on login register, which is there on top and right side. Once you click on it, you will be landed to this page. Here, if you are a registered user, then use login section. You can use your registered username or email address and then type password. Then you will be landed to the respective pages. If you are new to the system, then you have two options. You can register as business account or personal account. If you are wedding vendor like wedding photographers, bridal makeup artist, mehndi artist, wedding planner or wedding decorator, then you can register as business account. If you are bride and groom or their relative, you can you can select personal account. Through the personal account, you can search your choices vendor. You can provide your review for particular vendor. You can mark it as favorite any particular vendor, or you can follow any particular vendor. So here, for the demo purpose, we are going to register as a business account. Click on register. Okay, so then you will be landed to this page. Here you have two options. One, add your business listing, add events. In case if you would like to submit your business listing, you can click on business, add your business, or you can click here also. Add events is mainly for, let's say, in case if you would like to plan any event, in case if you are going to conduct any session, any workshop or any online session, you can register event through this button. Here in this session, we are going to register business listing. So let's click on add your business. After clicking add business listing, you will be landed to this page. Here you have to choose the package. There are two plans at the moment, and this plan keep on changing. We also offering discounted we also offer discounted plan, which is subject to any festival offer or any anniversary or something like that. So for the latest update, we recommend you to visit our Facebook and Instagram business page. So this time we have two offer, or maybe we can say two packages. One is 2500, where you can in this package you can submit up to 5 listings. The validity is lifetime. Whereas in case if you don't want to pay this much amount, then we have one year validity plan, which is Shubh plan. So for the demo purpose, we are going to choose Shubh plan. Click on get now. Okay, so this is business listing form. Here you have to fill up all the required data. Please note that this all fields are very important from search engine perspective. So please fill all the data carefully. Area and city. So area name is, for example, Maninagar, Ahmedabad. Logo, in case if you have, then you can select, you can upload logo from here. In case if you don't have, keep it blank. Phone number, in case you can submit your cell number here also. Add social, that means in case if you have Facebook page, then you can type your Facebook page here. Instagram page, you can type your Insta page also. For the time saving purpose, we have copied all the URLs related to Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. We have copied all the files and then pasted it here. You can also keep handy all the requirement, or maybe all the required information, so that you would be able to complete this kind of listing very fast. So we have provided Facebook URL. Please note that this is the complete URL which we need to follow, which we need to type. Instagram complete URL, YouTube complete URL. Okay, now Devarshi Photo is wedding photographer, so select category, which is wedding photographer. Okay, related tags. So once you select any specific category, then the relevant tags would appear. So in this scenario, let's say if we have choose wedding photographers, then related tags would appear here. Let's say in wedding photography you are doing this aerial cinematography, you do candid photography, couple photography, you do portrait photography, still photography, wedding photography, wedding videography, traditional videography, traditional photography, teaser videos, pre-wedding shoot. Okay, so limit is 10. You can select 10 or less tags. So choose your tags wisely. Package, single price or price range. So in case if you are offering let's say some price, then you can type your package price, let's say 50,000 per day or 50,000 to 1 lakh per day. So you can mention per day package. Okay, you can mention about your hours, office hours. You can mention always open. Select city. Here you can select city, Ahmedabad. We have pre-filled this data, and so the required about description is already being typed here. Photo gallery. This is very important in terms of in case if you are wedding photographer, then images are must, and in case if you present your portfolio, then chances are more that more user would try to get in touch with you. So here we would submit, we can upload up to 10 images. So let's select quickly, go to our submission from here. Okay, so all images are selected here. Now click on select. In case if you would like to mark particular image as feature image, then select image from here. It would recommend that you provide your alt text, caption and description. Let's say if this image is about pre-wedding shoot, then type pre-wedding shoot. This would definitely help you in terms of SEO. You can use video URLs. In case if you have your YouTube video available, then you can provide your URL here. We have copied URL and pasted it here. You can submit more videos URL from by clicking add more. Let's click on submit. Okay, so this last and final step. Here you have to provide billing details. The plan we selected earlier, we selected the plan which is price of rupees 500. We do have a coupon available for this demo, so we are going to use this coupon. Coupon applied successfully. Once you are done with the payment, then you will be landed to this page. So that means the order has been confirmed and the listing is submitted to Shubh Wedding successfully. So this was the last and final step. So wait for the Shubh Wedding to confirm your order, confirm your listing. You will be notified over an email. Thank you.